Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Yo, animals in the wild, they living solo. They rolling in packs when it's time to go. From herds to migrations, gotta show how they move and groove, let the knowledge flow.
Check it, in the savannah where the zebras chill. Strength in numbers, squad goals for real. Herding together, avoid the predator thrill. Safety in the group, yeah, that's the deal. See them birds in the sky, flying V-shaped line. Migrate with the seasons on nature's time. From the Arctic to the tropics, repeat the rhyme. Long distance travel, no Uber, no
animals in the wild, they living solo. They rolling in packs when it's time to go. From herds to migrations, gotta show how they move and groove, let the knowledge flow.
Communication's key like Wi-Fi, they connect. A language all their own, never miss a text. From honeybee dances to dolphins clicks, each has a style with unique tricks. Ants on the move like nature's on Google Maps. Working in unity, closing all gaps. Taking care of business, no break or lapse. Teamwork makes the dream work, that's their rap.
Animals in the wild, they living solo. They rolling in packs when it's time to go. From herds to migrations, gotta show how they move and groove, let the knowledge flow.
Them wolves pack up with Alpha to lead. How to the moon, that loyalty creed. Family stays close, satisfy each need. Hunting together in a serious feed. Sea turtles ride currents from beach to sea. Instinct leads them on where they need to be. A journey from birthplace, repeating history. Navigating nature's path like a timeless mystery.
So whether walk or fly, swim or run, nature's grand plan can't be outdone. These ecosystems in balance all under the sun. Social behavior and animals learn and have fun. Animals in the wild, they living solo. They rolling in packs when it's time to go. From herds to migrations, gotta show how they move and groove, let the knowledge flow.